What if I told you that your rent payment this month could have bought you a flight to Hawaii? I know it's a wild thought, but it's true. For most of us, the single biggest check we write every single month is for our rent or our mortgage. It earns us a big fat nothing. Zero. It's the financial black hole that we just pour money into month after month. You might be sitting on thousands of dollars in free travel. We're talking first-class flights, luxury hotels, dream vacations, all because you aren't using the right tools. You're already spending the money, you just aren't getting anything back for it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip that script. We're going to explore how you can turn your biggest, most frustrating expense into your next incredible trip. We'll break down the specialized cards built for both renters and homeowners that can turn these payments into thousands of travel points you're currently missing out on. So stick around because you're leaving free travel on the table and it's about time you claimed it. Let's get real about the numbers for a second. The average rent in a major city can easily top $2,000 or $3,000 a month. A mortgage, often even higher. Over a year, that's $24,000, $36,000, maybe $50,000 that just vanishes from your bank account. And besides keeping a roof over your head, what do you get back for it financially? Crickets. No points, no miles, no cash back. You're probably thinking, why can't I just slap my mortgage on my favorite travel credit card? It's a great question. And the answer is the one thing that's made this impossible for so long: fees. Most landlords and nearly all mortgage lenders don't take credit cards directly. The workarounds like third-party services will hit you with a transaction fee, usually around 3%. Paying a 3% fee to earn 1% or 2% back is just a bad deal. You're literally paying to get your own points, which totally defeats the purpose. So for years, we've just accepted that our biggest expense lives in a rewards-free zone, a financial dead end. But what if that wasn't the end of the story? For renters, the entire game changed with one specific card, and that is the Bilt Mastercard. This card is the key to earning points on rent, and its killer feature is this: there is no transaction fee. Let that sink in. You can pay your full rent, whether it's $1,000 or $5,000, and not pay a single extra cent in fees, all while earning points. How does it work? Well, it's pretty genius. If your landlord only takes a physical check or a direct bank transfer, Bilt's got you. Through their app, they'll mail a check for you or give you a special account and routing number for an ACH payment. Your landlord gets paid how they want, you get the points, and everyone is happy. You'll earn 1 point for every dollar of rent up to 100,000 points a year. But Bilt is way more than just a rent card. It's a phenomenal lifestyle card. You'll get 3 points per dollar on all your dining, from your morning coffee to a fancy dinner. You'll also get 2 points per dollar on travel, including flights, hotels, and car rentals booked directly. And for everything else, it's 1 point per dollar. And we cannot forget about rent day on the first of each month, where all of those multipliers double except for the rent. So what's the catch? With Bilt, the catch, if you can even call it that, is that you have to make at least 5 transactions on the card each month to earn the points on the rent. Now, these 5 transactions can be on anything from coffee to paying your streaming services to lunches. For most people, that's incredibly easy to hit. And what are these points actually worth? This is where Bilt really flexes. Bilt points are some of the most valuable in the game. Because of their one-to-one transfer partners, you can send your points directly to top-tier airlines like Alaska Airlines and United, or even to hotel programs like World of Hyatt, a fan favorite for getting insane value. 60,000 Bilt points could easily be a round-trip ticket to Europe or a few nights at a stunning Park Hyatt hotel. All of this with no annual fee. For renters, the Built Mastercard isn't just a good option, it's a total game changer. All right, homeowners, I know you've been listening, probably with a little bit of envy. The holy grail of travel rewards has always been earning points on a mortgage. Well, that holy grail is finally here, and you can now meet the Mesa Homeowners Card. Mesa is the first card of its kind, designed from the ground up to reward homeowners. It lets you earn 1 point for every dollar of your mortgage payment up to 100,000 points a year. So how is that possible without fees? Well, just like Bilt, it is a clever system. You don't actually pay the mortgage with the card. Instead, you link the bank account you use for your mortgage to the Mesa app. When Mesa sees the payment go through each month, it automatically awards you the points. No fees, no fuss. But this is where the Mesa card gets really powerful. Its bonus categories are practically custom built for homeowners. You'll get a whopping 3 points per dollar on home-related expenses, home improvement improvement stores, home insurance, property taxes, HOA fees, and utilities. It even includes daycare in that 3X category. On top of that, you'll get 2 points per dollar on groceries and gas, covering even more of your biggest monthly costs. So what's the catch here? There is one catch. To get the points for your mortgage, you have to spend at least $1,000 on the card in purchases that month. Now, for a lot of homeowners, when you add up groceries, gas, utilities, and home upkeep, that $1,000 threshold is very doable, especially with those great bonus categories. Now, on top of these points, Mesa comes loaded with over $800 in potential yearly statement credits for things like home maintenance services, pet care, and even memberships to stores like Sam's Club. Your points can be used for statement credits, travel, or transfer to a growing list of partners. With no annual fee, the Mesa card finally gives homeowners a seat at the rewards table, turning decades of mortgage payments into a powerful engine for free travel. Now, Bilt does not want Mesa to have all of the mortgage business. Bilt announced earlier this year that it would provide mortgage benefits similar to their current rent benefits this year. I'm not sure it will come to fruition though. Bilt is still trying to find the right model for their business. This is where Mesa learned from Bilt and is surprisingly stable. But we all want to see the competition because it should mean better deals for us. Now, because Mesa is a brand new card, I got the card and did a couple of videos detailing my experiences with the card and even doing a complete masterclass on the options for redeeming Mesa points. These videos are a must for anyone considering this card. I'll have links in the description. So if you're ready to stop watching your biggest expense go down the drain and start turning it into real, valuable rewards, the path is pretty clear. For renters, the Built Mastercard is your ticket to earning thousands of points on rent and dining. For homeowners, the Mesa card is ready to transform your mortgage and home costs into your next vacation. I've dropped the referral links for both the Built Mastercard and the Mesa Homeowners Card in the description below. Using those links is the best way to apply, and it may send a small commission to the channel at no extra cost to you, which is a simple free way to support the content so I can keep finding the best ways for you to travel more for less. And I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Are you a renter or a homeowner? And what's that first dream trip you'd plan with these points? I read every single comment and would love to hear from you. For way too long, we've just accepted that our rent and mortgage payments are sunk cost. But that era is over. The tools are finally here to turn these giant expenses into a source of incredible value. With the Built Mastercard, a renter can earn a flight to Paris just by paying for the roof over their head. With the Mesa Homeowners Card, a homeowner's property taxes and insurance bills can suddenly fund a family trip. This isn't about spending more money. It's about being smarter with the money you are already spending. You work hard for your money. It's time to make your money start working for you. Stop leaving thousands of points in the free travel you are rightfully earning on the table. The only thing missing was knowing how to get it. Now you do. And now that you know how to maximize your biggest spend, you need to know about a point generating duo for your everyday spending. Not knowing about it will cost you thousands of Amex points, and you'll find it right here.